As a creator, I need gear that works as hard as I do. No downtime, no creative blocks, just pure effective flow. But the reality is, we're facing the same problems. Poor batteries, full screens, and sometimes, moments we couldn't capture in time. But now it's different. In Bangkok, Huawei unveiled 3 devices that don't just sidestep those frustrations, they erase them. Here's what they built and why it matters. And I will tell you everything here. So welcome to Tech Journal Wisnu Kumoro. I landed in Bangkok, and the adventure didn't start with a spec set. Huawei handed me this surprise cube and just said, play with it. And that playful energy set the tone for everything that followed at the Huawei Innovative Product Launch at Queen Sirikit National Convention Center. The keynote revealed that now is your spark. And after the show, the product experience area let me go hands-on with everything. Then, as night fell, we moved to a pop-up store that blended fitness, art, and technology in one vibrant space. At the heart of the launch was the HUAWEI MatePad Pro Max, device that feels like it was built specifically for creators on the move. PC-level productivity on a tablet, multi-window multitasking, full keyboard and stylus support, and the 3K Flexible OLED PaperMatte Display. It feels like paper. Pair that with GoPaint's intelligent brushes and color cards, and digital art starts feeling dangerously close to the real thing. Oh, and it packs a 10,400 mAh battery with 40-watt reverse supercharge, so it can actually power your other gear on a long productive day. Next, the Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro. Materials alone tell you this is not a casual piece. 2.5D sapphire glass, titanium alloy bezel, and Aerospace-Grade Nanoceramic Metal technology. Under the hood, more than advanced material, Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro elevates the experience with advanced outdoor capabilities, especially for tennis, cycling, trail run, and golf. And then there's the Huawei Nova 15 Max, the phone that treats reliability as a superpower. 50-megapixel RYYB Ultra Vision Camera. The yellow pixel replaces green, capturing significantly more light, which is why your night shots looks better than you expected. And with 8,500 mAh super battery, the kind of capacity where you just stop thinking about charging over and over again. Extra durable body that can withstand 100 kilograms of pressure, and one-tap X button for instant access to whatever app you live in. Throughout the event, the energy is electrifying. Huawei's philosophy, technology illuminating your daily patience, felt tangible, not just a tagline. Huawei is not just selling specs. They've engineered devices that take the limits of your day, your creativity, and your health.